Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to prompt ChatGPT perfectly. First, go to ChatGPT. In this case, we want ChatGPT to make us a menu for the coffee shop business that we are starting. To create the perfect prompt in ChatGPT, you have to understand this quick prompt formula. Context plus specific information plus goals or intent plus format. We go to the example. First, we make a context. We can type, I am a beginner businessman. This is a context. Second, we add specific information that we want, for example, who wants to start a coffee business in a business area. Third, we add our goals or intent. For example, I want to create a coffee menu that suits the tastes of business people in the area. Last, we add format. For example, please make me a menu with clear instructions and measurements in grams for every drink, step by step to make my coffee shop menu. In this prompt already contains context, specific information, goals or intent, and format. This is perfect formula. We can send message and look at the result. With a prompt formula like this, you can get more specific results. You can change the words according to your needs. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.